Well, throughout Friday afternoon, we did have some pockets of very heavy rain setting up around the coastal Empire and Low Country, including right here in Savannah. We had a lot of dark skies earlier in the day with that heavier rain, but now the sunshine is peeking out for us as we head into the early evening hours. But there's the view looking from our Savannah camera toward the Talmadge Bridge, looking pretty nice for tonight. We did make it to 93 degrees before those storms started to develop in and around Savannah, but once those storms developed, we were able to see those temperatures drop off pretty quickly into the 70s for some of us, but rebounding into the lower and middle 80s where we did have that heavier rain more toward the coast, but inland communities where conditions stayed dry, it is still pretty hot. 99 for Jessup, 96 for Glenville, 93 at the moment for Statesboro, and even when you factor in the humidity, it looks like those heat index values were somewhat just a little bit normal, or were a little bit above where those temperatures were. So closer to normal for this time of the year. Viper radar scanning the skies not as active as earlier in the day. Heavier rain dissipating what one cell left over for Liberty County now is pushing off of the coast. For Saturday morning, we will start off with some cloud cover. Temperatures will be able to cool off into the mid 70s during those early morning hours. We will have a mix of clouds and sunshine, a few stray showers possible before lunchtime, but then the higher storm chances build in for the later afternoon hours and into the evening, and that will be the case going to Sunday and Monday with scattered showers and storms becoming more likely. Still unsettled for Tuesday, and then those storm chances get a bit lower for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Temperatures will trend a little bit warmer for next week, but over the weekend with the heavy rain, those highs will actually get just below normal for some of us. So as far as the storm chances over the weekend, they will be with us, and it's on Sunday, and we do have the chance for isolated strong and severe storms. Damaging wind would be our primary concern with any of the storms that do develop. But for tomorrow, we do have the risk of having some heavy rain on and off throughout the afternoon hours as a warm front lifts northward that will bring in more of that moisture from the Gulf with a southerly breeze. Drying out for tomorrow evening for the most part. Very early Sunday morning will be rather dry, but then it's after sunrise when the storm chances and shower chances will start to ramp up, becoming more numerous for the afternoon hours. A frontal boundary will move in during the later part of the day and into the evening hours. That may initiate a few more thunderstorms for us, and then that same pattern stays with us going into the early part of next week. Some of that rain will be heavy at times. Vipercast is indicating that many of us will get over a half an inch to an inch of rain. However, some thunderstorms may be able to produce higher rainfall rates. For tonight, 76 for low temperature, partly cloudy, staying warm and humid, and then for tomorrow, those scattered showers and storms will develop during the afternoon hours, so those high temperatures will be able to top out in the lower and maybe even middle 90s for a few spots before those thunderstorms develop. While severe weather is not expected for Saturday, it will still be a breezy day with some of the storms moving through. A south wind up to 15 knots for the boaters with seas right around 2 feet. Certainly keep an eye on the sky. If you do have any kind of outdoor plans on Saturday and for Sunday, same thing for Monday as everyone heads back to work and school, actually. Definitely a rainy and stormy day on the way.
If you're telling me to stay home and relax, then that's what I'm going to do.
That's what I'm telling you to do.
That sounds good. All right, thank you.
Are you really going to do that?
No, for real. I'm not doing anything this weekend.
Sounds good.
No.
Well, listen, if you are